Creating a dashboard in Power BI is essentially a matter of creating a number of different visualizations on a single page. However, there are some aspects of Power BI dashboards that are worth mentioning here. First, assuming that you've already created some visualization, you can simply copy and paste them onto a new page. So here's the first visualization we created before. If I do copy and I open up a new page, then I can just paste it here. So that's straightforward to get existing visualizations into a new dashboard. But for the purposes of this exercise, we're not going to use this visualization. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to create 4 visualizations on the dashboard. The first one shows the proportion of sales in each country. So I'm going to take country name, drag sales price in there, and because I'm interested in proportions, I'm going to change that to a pie chart. Make it a little larger as well. The second visualization will show total sales by make. So again, I'm going to drag make into here, sales price, and then I'll change that into a bar chart. Then we add a third visualization, that a clustered column chart that shows total sales by color. So again, we'll drag color into here, then sales price, and we make that a clustered column chart. But to make it a little more interesting, I'm going to change the color. So I went into the format menu, then data colors, and I can change it to whatever color I want. Let's make it kind of red. Okay, and then the final visualization we're going to add shows sales by vehicle type. So again, vehicle type, total sales. We'll change that into a bar chart as well. And again, we change the color to something else. Maybe we'll take some, I don't know, something green in this case. Okay, and we can resize the things a little bit so that the whole thing looks, the dashboard looks a little better. Now, here's the interesting thing about all of this. So we can look at the whole information on the dashboard, but if I click on any of the data points in the dashboard will then display the information for that data point only. So if I click on United Kingdom in the pie chart, then you see that it changes what it displays. So now I know that about 50% of the coupe sales took place in the United Kingdom. That a lot of those sales were Aston Martins, although there are more Aston Martins somewhere else. I can click on it again to go back to the original display, but I can also click on, for example, a color. Let's take red. So we see what happened to red cars. So we see that there were more red saloons than coupes, and that a lot of them were Aston Martins and so on. So I think this interactivity of the dashboard is an interesting feature in Power BI.